it's been a privilege to work with you this semester on all of these different projects. At the beginning of the semester I said we were going to investigate social media, and we really put the social into media.
I'm Alice Bott. Sean McCarthy and I extend you a warm welcome to this presentation of materials that support our IITAP 2010 submission. Our project comprises what we think is a unique collaboration between two writing-intensive classes, my Writing for Nonprofits and Sean's Writing in Digital Environments.
The name of our submission, Writing for Nonprofits in Digital Environments, is a deliberate mashup of the names of both our courses. As you will see from the materials presented here, our courses were indeed inextricably linked in multiple productive ways in the service of producing quality written multimedia materials for three local nonprofit organisations. Our students published materials in the form of grant proposals and multimedia content for our community partners. Separated by time, space, course and even institutional affiliation, these collaborations took place primarily online through wikis, email and Skype.
Because of the ease of publishing electronically, these online tools give teachers the opportunity to guide students toward creating publishable work that responds to and possibly influences relevant and pressing public issues. Social media allowed all three groups a sustained presence in each other's environment and increased the quality of the work produced. The tools enabled our students to explore the dynamics of knowledge-making in a globalized, wired world, and allowed us as teachers to emphasize the role collaboration plays in the production of knowledge.
Nonprofits are turning to social media to network, raise awareness and raise money. Meanwhile, our students are using social media every day by posting to Facebook, IMing and text messaging. We decided to figure out whether we could get our students to use their social media skills for the benefit of the nonprofits.
So how do you get classes that'll never meet to collaborate together? We turned to social media to solve that problem for us. The wiki became central ground for our classes. All of Sean's students were enrolled in my class's wiki. All of my students were enrolled in his class's wiki. So we could all post information. We could get in there and look at each other's work, make suggestions. We also had the students do profiles of themselves so they could get to know each other over the course of the semester as well. And I think that that helped our collaboration quite a bit.
When you're working with community partners, we've got to be very careful about the way that we assess the work.
Right.
Because they don't work the same timetable that we do, and when you're working collaboratively, how to assess individual student involvement becomes a big issue.
Absolutely.
Do you want to talk maybe about the learning record and how we use the learning record to assess our students?
Sure. The learning record is a great tool for assessing an individual's work within a group. Basically, the system it's data-based. At midterm and at final, students will put together a case for their grade, and they'll present work samples of what they've done over the semester, and also refer back to observations they've made throughout the semester and kept of what they've done and what they've learned from it. So it's completely data-based, but it also allows for glitches, like the glitches your class experienced when there was that round of the swine flu and you didn't know what was going to happen with these projects and exactly what was going to come of it. The learning record allows the students to talk about what they individually did in their group work efforts and to provide evidence of that as well as just summarizing it. So it allows for particularizing the assessment to what did the individual do within the group.
And it's got an emphasis on process as well as product, right?
Yes, absolutely.
Okay.